It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver laced of gold. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, toys in every store. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of high-fallen boots and a pistol that chooses to wish upon Bonnie and Ben. Those that are talking and go for a walk is the hope of Johnny's and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere.